friends, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to learn about unitary method. The word unitary has come from the word unit, which means one. This means in these type of questions or in this method, first we have to find out the value of 1 and then we will find out the value of required number of units. Okay, so let's read this question. 5 buses carry 200 passengers. How many passengers can 20 buses carry? This means it is given that 5 buses carry 200 passengers. So first we have to find out that how many passengers can be carried by one bus. So for this we will divide. And then we will find out the passengers carried by 20 buses. So for this we will multiply. We always divide when the value of more is given and we have to find the value of 1. And we will multiply when the value of 1 is given and we have to find the value of more units. So let's start doing this question. So first is passengers carried by 5 buses. So it is 200. It is given. So now first we will find out the passengers carried by one bus. So for this we will divide 200 by 5. So let's divide. We will divide 200 by 5. 5 4 ja 20. So it will be 0. We will write this 0 here. Then 5 zeros are 0. This means 40. Passengers carried by one bus will be equal to 40. Now we have to find out number of passengers 20 buses can carry. This means passengers carried by 20 buses. For this we will multiply. 40 multiplied by 20. Okay. So here is 1 0, here is 1 0. So first we will put 2 zeros. Then we will multiply 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. This means 800. Our answer will be 800. 20 buses can carry 800 passengers. So thus 20 buses can carry 800 passengers. This will be our answer statement. Let's do another question. The cost of 4-liter milk is 120 rupees. So we have to find out what is the cost of 9-liter milk. This means again first we have to find out the cost of 1-liter milk. Then we can easily find out the cost of 9-liter milk or any required number of units. Okay. So start. Cost of 4-liter milk. It is rupees 120. Cost of 1-liter milk. Cost of 1-liter milk. So to find out the cost of 1-liter milk, we will divide 120 by 4. Okay, let's divide here. 120, write 4 here. 4 3s are 12. 0 will come. We will write 0 here. Again 4 zeros are 0. This means 30. The cost of 1-liter milk will be 30 rupees. And now we have to find out the cost of 9-liter milk. So to find out the cost of 9-liter milk, we will multiply. Cost of 9-liter milk will be, now we will multiply 30 multiplied by 9. So here is 10, we will put 10 and then 9 3s are 27. This means 270 rupees. Thus, cost of 9 liter milk will be 270 rupees. Okay, let's do one more example. So the question is, Mohit bought 150 pairs of socks for rupees 3000. What will be the cost of 250 pairs? This means first we have to find out the cost of one pair of socks. So for this we will divide 3000 by 150 and then whatever will be your answer, we will multiply 250 by that number. Okay, understood? So now start. Cost of 150 pairs of socks. So it is 3000. So cost of one pair of socks. So to find out this, we will divide this by 150. This means 3000 divided by 150. Okay. In both we can see there is 1 0. So we can cancel this 0 by this 0. Now we will divide 300 by 15. So 15 2s are 30. We left with 0. We write the 0 here. Again 15 zeros are 0. This means the cost of one pair of socks will be rupees 20. Okay, so it will be 20 rupees. So now we can easily find out the cost of 250 pairs. So we will write cost of 250 pairs of socks. It will be 250 multiplied by 20. So you can easily multiply this 10 and 10. So this means first we will put 2 zeros. Then we have to multiply only 25 by 2. This remaining numbers. So 25 2s are 50. So it will be 5000. Or you can multiply also like this. Okay, 0, 0 and 0. When we multiply 0 by any number, we will get 0. Then 0, 2 5s are 10 and 5. So in both the cases, our answer will be 5000. This means the cost of 250 pairs of socks will be rupees 5000. This will be our answer. So now I hope that you understood where to use unitary method and how to apply this method in these type of questions. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.